In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a CC recipient in Jotform Sign. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Sign Documents. Find the document you want to send and click Edit to open it. In the document editor, click the Send tab at the top. Under the Recipients section, add the names and email addresses of everyone who needs to sign the document. Next, switch to the Options tab. Locate the Add CC Recipient field and enter the email address of the person who should receive a copy of the completed document. This recipient will receive the document for reference only and won't be required to sign it. After adding the CC recipient, return to the Recipients tab and review all the signer and CC details to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click Send to Sign. The document will be sent to the signers and the CC recipient will automatically receive a copy. That's how to add a CC recipient in Jotform Sign. Thanks for watching.